Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Chord Guitar. Guess what? Wish Wednesday today. So we have this beautiful day in a week where we have possibilities to bring up songs that you wish for, guys. And if you follow me here on Chord Guitar for a while, perhaps your song was here. And if it hasn't been like that, still you are free to leave a comment and wish for a song, and perhaps it's your song that will show some light here on Chord Guitar. So this time we have a wisher called HAM Beat 04. You wish for this beautiful song from Gyptian called Wine Slow. All right, so Wine Slow is a cool song. It's a 3-chord song, goes in the same way through the entire song. We will look at this cool intro, and we'll also look at 2 different strumming patterns that is used for the song. So let's start with the chords first. We have the capo set here on the 3rd fret, all right? So capo on 3rd, and the chords will be A minor, F, and C. That's the chord progression. So starting with A minor, that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have the next chord, which is the F. You have a bar here on the 1st fret, all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord will be C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. All right, so A minor, F, and C. Now let's look at this intro, this cool intro, okay? So starting with A minor, this part goes like this. So you hit the open A together with 1st B. You can do just that, or you can just pluck all strings from the A minor chord. Doesn't matter, just gives you more oomph to it, a little bit more backbone. So it's up to you, but these 2 notes, the open A and 1st B, are the main notes you need for this one. So then goes the 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open B. That's the first part here, the A minor. And then comes F. So just like that, so you hit the 1st fret E string, the bass first, and then the 1st fret B string. Then comes the C part, sounds like this. Okay, so that is 3rd on A, then 3rd on E, 1st E, open E, 1st E, and then that's it, because then comes another A minor, all right? And this A minor, starting with, that's the 2nd round, so to speak, starting instead of playing the open A and 1st B, you start on the open A and open E. Okay, and then everything else is the same, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open B. Okay, so this is now the starting of the 2nd round. This is 2-round intro with the same chords. So that was the A minor, and then comes the F, And then you play F there with, it seems like you can just hold a bar. Yeah, you can. So just put a bar here on the first fret, starting with open E first, and then just add a bar here on the first fret. You hit then the first E string in the bass together with first E string on top. And then 2 times on the first fret B string. Okay, so that was the F, and then you end with the C. Like that, okay? So that is 3rd fret A, 2nd fret D, and 1st fret B. So that is the intro, 2 rounds of A minor, F, C. So I will go over this a little bit quick now to just run over it so you understand the idea of it. So let's start with open A, first B, second D, second G, first B, and open B. Then first E, first B, then for C it's 3rd A, then 3rd E, first E, open E, first E. Then starting on the next round with A minor, now you're gonna play the open A with open E. And then the rest is the same, which means 2nd D, 2nd G, first B, and open B. Then the F part will be open E in the top, and then you just add a bar on the first fret, and you hit the open E in the bass and the top string simultaneously. And then first B 2 times, and then we have the C part, 3rd A, 2nd D, and first B. All right, so there you have it, 2 rounds of the intro with the chord progression A minor, F, C. I'm gonna play it through for you slowly one time, and then some standard tempo second time. Let's go. Right, and with some standard tempo and perhaps note added here and there because we play from the chords and we just kind of fill in into this melody. It could sound something like this. That is how it could sound, and the fillers I went in with was mainly from the chords. So I'm just picking some extra notes from the chords I'm holding, and that sounds that much better. So play with it. This is the skeleton, so to speak, so you can add something to it if you wish. Now let's look at strumming patterns. So we have 2 main strumming patterns here for the song. We have one that runs pretty much in the same way through the entire song, if you wish, and it's a little bit shorter, and then we have a longer version of it. So we'll start with the main basic pattern. All right, so it starts with A minor, so grab this A minor, and the strumming pattern will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. That is 1 round. So let's go. Again. Down, up, clap, up, down, up. That is 1 round. You're gonna play 2 rounds for A minor, 1 for F, and 1 for C. Sounds like this, a little bit slower. That is 1 round. not that hard. Now let's play this a little bit with some rhythm, special rhythm to it. Okay, so I'm gonna give you that as well. Same chord progression of chords, A minor, F, and C. Sounds like this. All right, so with A minor, you're gonna play like this. Down, up, clap, up, down, down, down. Okay, so down, up, clap, up, down, and a short break, and then comes down, down. What I like to do here, after the clap and up, down, I like to add my hand on the strings to mute the strings. So I really separate this from the last two down, down. That makes it a little more prominent with this rhythm. So and I add my hand and then all right. And then you move on with F. You're gonna play the down, up, clap, up, down, and stop there. And then you shift to C and play the last two down, down. Okay, so F and C, they split on this strumming pattern. So A minor is one full round of the strumming, and then F, you're gonna play down, up, clap, up, down, and you shift to C and play down, down, like this. All right. So one round slowly will be like this. And some standard tempo, couple rounds. And that, my friends, and HAM beat 04 summarizes Gyptian's Wine Slow. So I really hope you enjoy this beat 04 and all the Gyptian fans. And yeah, it's very satisfying to give you songs that you wish for, because then I'm certain that there is some people that ask and really want this song, so that makes it great. So keep on wishing here on Gordon Guitar. Perhaps it's your song that will show up here. And yeah, till next time, guys, like always, play tuned.